looks like the rainbows.
Mama, slow.
Where does the rainbow end anyways?
I have no idea. That looks so beautiful.
I think it's nearby us.